Coincidentally and uniquely, my first manufacturing job was in precious metals. So not everyone gets that opportunity. So I was machining gold, platinum, silver, palladium, and in any carat or any creation, because the facility of manufacturing also had a refining plant in it. So in the back area of this facility, we get mailed. I mean, it could have dirt and stuff mixed in it, or it could just be pure, right? But we would get mailed gold, platinum, silver, all that fun stuff, and we would quote how much we felt the value was, and they'd accept it or not accept it. But ultimately, what that meant was that we could make any carat gold. We made 9-carat gold for Australia one time. You can make 20-carat gold. You know, the more gold is in it, the softer it is, and the more copper or nickel or whatever's in it, it's going to be a little bit harder. Platinum in itself is a real, it's kind of a messed up material. You don't think about it, but it's got some components to it that are so extremely gritty, it rips apart diamond tools when not being programmed correctly, speeds and feeds. So I'm learning how to run 20, 30 machines in our department. And they're pretty basic. They're omni-turns, you know, 2-3 axis type stuff, and GT75, which is another version of an omni-turn. And then as I'm growing over the years, you know, I've got a few, with partners of my colleagues, a few patents in the jewelry industry of what people are buying for their wedding bands or wedding rings, engagement rings. So unique designs that we're creating. At this point, I'm considered in the top 5% in the world in understanding how to machine platinum, which I always make the really bad joke. I think that's only because there's a very few people who even study it or learn it, right? Metallurgists or something. So while it seems elite, maybe just more unique than elite, but it did allow me to really hone in on how that material can be machined. And one year I saved the company over $100,000 in material costs and in cutting tool costs because of understanding the right depth of cut, speed, all that fun stuff.